Whiteboard animation videos are a fun and powerful way to explain ideas, teach concepts, or promote your business. But with so many tools out there, how do you know which whiteboard animation software is actually worth using? In this video, I'll break down the best whiteboard animation software available today, comparing their features, ease of use, pricing, and who they're best for. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. Before we dive into the tools, let's quickly cover what whiteboard animation actually is. It's a style of video where drawings appear to be hand-drawn on a whiteboard, usually by an animated hand, while a voiceover explains the content. It's used for explainer videos, online courses, marketing, and even YouTube content. And the best part, you don't need to be an artist to make them. The software does the heavy lifting. So the first tool is Doodly. Doodly is one of the most popular whiteboard animation tools. It's super beginner friendly with a drag and drop interface. You can choose from thousands of pre-made characters, props, and scenes. Just drag them into the canvas, record your voice, and you're good to go. Doodly supports whiteboard, blackboard, glassboard, and even custom backgrounds. It's best for beginners and small businesses. The pricing is one-time or monthly plans starting around $39 per month. The second tool is VideoScribe. VideoScribe is another big name in the whiteboard space. It offers tons of templates and animated elements. You can create videos fast, great for educators and marketers who need quick turnaround. It also supports voiceovers, background music, and image importing. It's best for educators and quick explainer videos. It has a free trial available, then you're going to be paying around $17.50 per month. The third tool is Vyond. Vyond isn't just for whiteboard animation. It's a full animation suite. It offers whiteboard style scenes but also includes character animations and motion graphics. It's powerful but takes a bit longer to learn. It's best for professionals and brands that want flexibility. Its pricing starts at about $49 every single month. The fourth tool is Animaker. Animaker is an all-in-one video creation tool that includes whiteboard animation features. It's cloud-based, so you can use it on any device. With a simple interface and lots of templates, it's great for both beginners and teams. It's best for teams and collaborative projects. It has a free plan available, and paid plans start at about $12.50 every single month. The fifth tool is Renderforest. Renderforest offers whiteboard animation as part of its suite of video creation tools. It's ideal for quick projects with ready-made scenes and voiceover support. It's not as flexible as the others, but good for fast, polished videos. It's best for people who need quick results with minimal effort. It has a free plan with watermark, and its paid plan start at about $10 every single month. Here's a quick side-by-side to help you choose the right tool for your needs. If you're a beginner, go for Doodly and VideoScribe. If you want advanced features and a team collaboration, check out Animaker and Vyond. And if you just need quick videos with minimal setup, Renderforest is perfect. Whiteboard animation is a great way to grab attention, explain complex ideas, and keep your audience engaged. Each of these tools has its strengths, so think about your goals, budget, and experience level before picking one. If you want me to go deeper into any of these tools or show tutorials, let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more video creation tips and software reviews. Thanks for watching and happy animating.